Hey, and welcome back to Master of None. Today we're going to make some barbecue rub. It's the one we used for pork ribs in the last video. I call it my Schwifty Rub because the main ingredient is Szechuan pepper. It won't make you shit on the floor, but it'll make your mouth salivate and tingle. Because it's pepper based, the sensation will build the more you eat. Alright, let's get swifty and make some rub. This is a coffee grinder I got from Kmart for about 45 bucks. The good thing about it is the stainless steel cup can be removed from the base. We're going to use 1.5 tablespoons of Szechuan pepper. This can be found in your local Chinese supermarket. If you like more of a tingle, just add an extra 1/2 tablespoon. Okay, let's grind. Okay, the pepper's done. Now what we want to do is grab a butter knife and scrape down the sides. Now we're going to use equal parts salt and pepper. So we're going to put 1.5 tablespoons into the cup. We're going to scrape down the sides every time we grind. Now we're going to add 1/2 tablespoon of dried chopped onion to our rub. This will add some body. Next we'll add 1/2 tablespoon of chili flakes. This will complement the Szechuan pepper. Righto, let's give this another grind. Now we're going to add 1/2 tablespoon of ground garlic. Opening the paprika is easier said than done. Now we're going to add 2.5 tablespoons of Hungarian paprika. This is going to give the burgundy colour to our ribs with minimal flavour. The final ingredient is 1/2 tablespoon of whole cumin seeds. This final dynamic will make you want to put the rub on everything. My suggestion would be homemade potato wedges. Let's taste this bad boy. The flavors are good and strong, but we can add another 1/2 tablespoon of paprika for color. For the last grind, I like to give it a shake upside down. Then go again. Now that's Schwifty. I cut this funnel down to give it a bit more girth. If you give it a shake, the girth will really work for you. Now we're good to go to rub some meat. The amount in the shaker will be enough to rub 2 racks of ribs. With the 2 leftover bags, I suggest bringing them to a party and share with friends. Thanks for getting Schwifty with Master of None, and remember, wubba lubba dub dub.